नहीं, एग्रेशन अगर आप स्पोर्ट्स में देखें तो एग्रेशन का जो बेसिकली मतलब होता है वो डिफरेंट होता है। हम कभी कभी ना एग्रेशन को हम हर समय सोचते हैं कि कुछ बोलना एग्रेशन है या फिजिकल कांटेक्ट एग्रेशन है, बट एग्रेशन इज नॉट अबाउट दैट। एंड स्पेशली अगर आप राहुल द्रविड़ की बात करें तो उन्होंने बोला था कि एग्रेशन इज a good forward defense to a very quick fast bowler is an aggressive play. So that is something that's very important. And slowly if you see, our guys are also learning. हर कोई सीख रहा है धीरे धीरे कि किस तरीके से अपने एग्रेशन को मैनेज करके चैनलाइज करना है। तो इट्स गुड टू बी एग्रेसिव, बट एट द सेम टाइम्स वी हैव टू फॉलो द गाइडलाइंस एंड वी हैव टू मेक श्योर कि सारे अवेलेबल रहें। ऐसा नहीं कि किसी पे डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन हो जाए, कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है, बट अदरवाइज वी want to play good aggressive cricket but within the guidelines.
2 days, 3 days का पहले इधर आपके इसमें good training camp. How you and your team and your guys pick up for the coming new series more challenging?
Well, we got some time. That's a reality, and because of that, we were able to have a fitness camp in Bangalore and a few days over here also. Before the start of the series, so. It's good to get a bit of time off, then get together as a team. You can put in a lot more effort. You can work on the basics, and at the same time, you can work on specifics, that you need to work upon. So it feels good. Everybody is fit. Everybody is looking good, which is a good sign. So hopefully, it will be a good series.
मैंने आपसे पूछना चाहिए, आप यहाँ पे पहले खेले हुए हैं। साउथ अफ्रीकन टीम जब प्रैक्टिस करने आई थी तो यहाँ पे आप वेट बॉल से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे, बॉल को बार बार बाल्टी में डाल के गीला करके। तो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आपने बताया भी कि हमारी स्ट्रैटेजी है कि जब तक व्यू बहुत ज्यादा होगा तो हम ये नहीं चाहते कि बीच मैच में जब व्यू बढ़ जाए तो हमारे बॉलर्स को बॉल पकड़ने मुश्किल हो। तो क्या कुछ आप लोग भी इस तरीके की रणनीति बनाएंगे क्योंकि व्यू बहुत ज्यादा रहता है यहाँ पे?
नहीं, अगर आप देखें तो हमारे जितने भी क्रिकेटर्स हैं वो काफी समय से इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, सो दे हैव बीन एक्सपोज टू दीज कंडीशन। काफी बार हम ड्यू के कंडीशन में खेलते हैं, तो दे आर वेल इक्विप्ड, दे नो व्हाट नीड्स टू बी डन। एंड थोड़ा थोड़ा तो प्रैक्टिस में हम भी इस चीज की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि थोड़ा बॉल स्लिपरी हो जाता है, ऐसा देखा गया है। बट नाउ इट इज अगर बहुत ज्यादा बॉल गीला हो जाता है तो अंपायर्स बॉल भी चेंज कर देते हैं। सो आई थिंक इंडिविजुअल्स आर वेल इक्विप्ड टू हैंडल। फिर भी डिफिकल्टी देखा गया है कि होती है, एंड इट्स समथिंग दैट वी हैव टू मैनेज।
Captain, you played your last ODI against Bangladesh 2 to 3 months back. So, in the build-up and in the build-up to the preparations to the first T20, how have your preparations been personally, and how looking forward are you towards the first team?
Well, the preparations have been really good. As I said, we had a decent time. We were in Bangalore for a few days. We had our fitness camp over there, followed by 3 days of skill-specific net sessions and everything. And now again we are here for quite some time, 3-4 days. And the good thing, everybody looks well prepared, everybody looks well rested. So I think the preparation has been going really well. And as far as I am concerned, it's the same. It doesn't really make much of a difference. You practice with the team, you get along, and everything else remains the same.
Question from here, Aman from PK. Can we see you batting up the order in this series?
Well, I would love to, but again, as I said, what we'll have to see is the composition of the side, and who is best suited to bat at what position. Especially if you talk about the T20, if you see our team, most of our players, they are top order batsmen. But when it comes to the IPL teams, but when it comes to T20 international cricket, they bat at different positions. For example, Rohit opens over here. Ajinkya Rahane is somebody who's batting middle order, but he opens in IPL. So, a lot of these things are there. So we have to see, which individual is best at what position, and depending on that, I'll decide, what position I have to bat. Because most of our batsmen, they love to bat top of the order, but somebody has to bat middle and late middle order so that they get those number of deliveries and they can be a bit more expressive.
Rupa.
Just carrying on from that, MS. So do you see someone like Raina as your possible finisher in that scenario? He's perfect in those conditions in this format. So considering everybody is a bit of a concern in that sense.
Well, if you ask me, Raina is not a finisher. The reason being, he bats top. If you talk about IPL, because good thing or bad thing, we play more T20. We have more stats of T20 cricket from IPL than international, because usually you have one match series. At the most, you may have 2 matches. So if you see, he's somebody who has batted throughout at number 3, when it comes to T20. And also the fact, we did promote him, I think it was 2009, when we played the World Cup in West Indies, and he did really well. But again, we'll have to see, if he bats at number 3, then, Virat, he'll have to bat down the order, or who bats at what position. So we'll have to figure out what is the best for the team, because we know when it comes to the talent aspect, all the individuals are very, very talented, but we'll have to place them at strategic positions so that it's good for the whole team.
Sai.
Your affinity towards spinners is quite well known. Sometimes that is something you prefer to do in matches as many spinning options. With 4 in this team, that seems to be a drought. The spinners and somebody like Raina also can go spin. It's different way. What sort of that spinning option gives you that push, extra pushing, so that you rely on responses to spinners more than the spinners?
Well, a lot depends on the condition. Yes, we have 4 spinners as of now in the team, and we have a few part-timers, but at the same time we have 3 proper fast bowlers and a seaming all-rounder also in their side. So it gives you that luxury of going with the right combination depending on the scenario. For example, we feel, we may get a bit more dew than some of the other places. So we'll have to see how much dew is there, and according to that, we decide whether to go with 3 spinner or 3 fast bowlers. So a lot depends on all these things, and at the same time we have to figure out, whether we want a leg spinner, off spinner, or a left arm spinner, if we can experiment with that. But also you have to see the strength of the side. Usually when we play with 2 spinners, one of them has to be a better batsman. The reason being, we don't really have a very good seaming all-rounder, who can give us 4 or 10 overs in the 50-over format and at the same time bat well. So we have to weigh all these things up and then go for the best combination, on that particular track. So, having everybody in the team, of course, helps us. And also, looking at a slightly longer picture with the T20 World Cup, coming later, early part of next year, we may not get the same amount of dew that we may get over here as of now. So, it's good to give them exposure, and at the same time, give guys who have been doing quite well in the IPL a chance at international level.
I will take last few questions. Question from here, Abhishek.
अब बीसीसीआई ने भी कंटिन्यू T20 मैच रखे हैं, इसको कैसे देख रहे हैं? इस प्रिपरेशन क्या T20 विश्व कप के लिए प्रिपरेशन?
नहीं, अगर आप देखें तो अभी तो बहुत ज्यादा जल्दी है, क्योंकि अभी से वर्ल्ड कप तक के बीच में काफी समय है। एक चीज अच्छी है कि जनवरी के बाद हम काफी T20 के गेम्स खेलेंगे, उसके बाद हमारा वर्ल्ड कप में भी वार्म अप गेम्स होगा, उसके बाद हम वर्ल्ड कप में जाएंगे। तो एक अच्छा, आप बोलते हैं, मोमेंटम कुछ हद तक आप बना सकते हो। एक जो कॉम्बिनेशन आप जो टेस्ट करना चाहते हो, वो आप उन गेम्स में टेस्ट कर सकते हो। एट द सेम टाइम सबको एक इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी भी मिल जाती है। कई बार देखा गया है कि बड़े टूर्नामेंट में ऐसा होता है कि आपके सिर्फ टॉप के जो 3-4 बैट्समैन हैं, उन्हीं को बैटिंग मिल पाती है, एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन नॉकआउट स्टेज में नीचे के बैट्समैन की टेस्टिंग हो जाती है। तो उसमें देखा गया कि कभी कभी उसमें भी प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाती है। बट इतने सारे अगर मैचेस हो तो थोड़ा आप रोटेट भी कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि यू आर नॉट बॉदर्ड टू मच अबाउट द रिजल्ट। आप चाहते हैं कि आपके जो टॉप 6 बैटर्स है वो अच्छे फॉर्म में रहें, और जो आपके बेस्ट बॉलर्स हैं, उनको एक्सपीरियंस हो मैचेस का बीच में, एंड एवरीबडी इज इन गुड निक। सो होपफुली प्रिपरेशन अच्छा रहेगा वर्ल्ड कप का। बट अभी के जो 3 मैचेस हैं, आई डोंट थिंक इट विल हैव टू मच ऑफ एन इम्पैक्ट।